Hello data points. Today we are discussing about the Perplexed AI because that is in our hand on the WhatsApp. This is the Notion page I am created for you. You can check out in the description. Here I am providing you the advanced features and the prompt that you can provide and what you can use in your daily life. Let's start. You can access the Perplexed AI from the official pages or the number or the WhatsApp channel. You can click the link, start. Then this is the first interface you saw when you started the Perplexed. First of all, use the forward slash to give the command. Here is the mostly 5 command. New chart is used for the clear the history and start a new conversation. Make sure you always start a new chart when you are doing the several things. Okay, then again forward slashes. Then we are discuss about the tags. This is the advanced format, time, content and the context. First we are discussing about the tags. Tags means you can give a task to the Perplexed AI and the AI will remember this and provide you the reminder at later. Forward slash, then give your prompt. Then blue tick means it can read your prompt. I try out the poll session but it cannot read your prompt. Look at here. There is no double tick in blue color. That means the AI cannot read the poll. Here is we can delete the tasks. Here I provided already daily AI upgrade with the voice note. So at the 8 a.m. IST mean Indian Standard Time, it will provide me the AI news update at in a voice note also. Later on in this video I will provide you how you can do the voice note with the tags command. Okay, if you click on this call to Z, then send, delete the tags. Okay, I think you can understood very well what is the tags command do here. This is nothing but Perplexed send a message only here. You cannot but you can also access from the here reminder button. This is the new button that comes WhatsApp new update. Okay, then comes the voice note. Voice means if you need any voice command means recording format, then you can access from this command. Click on the voice note. Let's see what's happened. Wait for a few minutes. Yes, you probably you cannot hear the sound because I am off the system sound during the recording.
With a 56% revenue jump,
Okay,
a Wall Street
you understood this works all. Okay, this is clear to you. Next, let's jump to another command that is called news. News is simple. Let's try. Click forward slash news AI news. Simple. Send. Wait for few seconds. Okay, this gives the 5 points about the news, but we need the video summary, so means voice summary, sorry. Then you can click it, voice, give me the voice note. Okay, it can create a voice note on this. Okay, you can understood. Here is the again another format. You can look at it, 0.38 second, 0.36 second. Okay, and I think you understood the news. Then generate. This is generate. This image generation is not too much good as like other platform. Create some basic out, but it gives only few good photos like this. It's not create very well photos. I deleted all of. Yeah, that's simple, not too much fancy. It cannot create much fancy, just like let's try this. Okay, if you see, this gives the icon from Flixed, showing some icon emojis to indicate I understood the prompt you are given. Okay, and simple prompt, not fancy, it not looks too good. Yeah, this is what he show to download the buttons. Then the advanced features. Let's talk about the photo. We can share the photo. This photo. Simple description. I take the screenshot from another YouTube channel. Okay. The 3 suggested command he provides us: suggest, reply, explain, and translate. Okay, I click upon the translate. Hindi. Okay, you understood what can he do. Then the explain button. Okay, sometimes he cannot understand with our simple few charts, few words. He need more explanation. What we need, what can we do, and what I want from you. Then click the explain button. Explain this image. Okay, explain, but again suggest, reply. Simple, you understood very well, I think that. Okay, let's try out the different things. We can share also the PDF. Okay, this is a project I created later on. Let's try out this. Okay, it's provide the ask the question summarization. Let's try out one by one. First we need the summary of this PDF. This is the 5-page PDF. Let's see what can he provide. Okay, okay, I think we clear all the previous data. Just I mention at starting time, then try out again, because I think it's provide a random text here. Okay, ask for the summary. Okay, I think now also he provide the random text, because I am providing them the hydraulic arm. It's a simple project, but he cannot do very well. But we need a audio podcast on this. Let's see what he. Okay, then the question answer. Make sure you clear the chart so that it all the clears from your device and also from Perplexity server side. It takes some time. Let's see what can he do. Then the YouTube video summary. This is a video I watch. Jeffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI. Let's see the image also. Okay. Simply share it. The godfather of AI, yes, Jeffrey Hinton, the 20%. Yes, what he mentioned, I watched this video totally, and these are the correct. Okay, I need the summary note in voice format. Let's see. Without voice, without the command, it's work also. Okay, again he mix up the government spending impact with the previous charts, so I think we need to clear all the charts, then start a new chart, share again. Okay, and now it's not providing in the point wise because we are just send it and not provide any command to it, but we need a voice note with the command voice summary of this video. Let's see what happened. Then the fact checking of social media link. Here I am providing you the interesting fact. Okay, he provided us. You can try out. Let's try the fact checking. This is the my social media link, and let's see what the Perplexity provide us. New chart, clear all the data. Okay, wait some time. You can see this is the LinkedIn account and see what the Perplexity suggest. See this grab the data from my LinkedIn account, and he suggest I did one internship at Tata Power and I am work on the Kaggle. Let's see. Share some project what he did in GitHub. Okay, let's see what he saw. What's he offer? Okay, creating the ML project. Rudra GitHub showcase the cool projects, but he cannot show my cancer project. Let's see. Any cancer project he did. let's see. Yes, it's crap. Nidra Prasad Bhuya has made a Streamlit web app called, and I mentioned in the GitHub link more project about this. Yes. Let's see what reply. Okay, you understood. You can share any link on here. Yes, this is the links. Let's try out. Okay, 404 error. I think the link is not properly work most of time because I try too much prompts and he cannot provide the proper link to us. And yeah, this is, and now is the PDF done, the video summary is done. Now the task time. Okay, I will provide you the advanced tasks like this. Select all, copy, clear chart, new chart, then tasks. Daily at 8 am send me the AI news with an image and voice note. Let's see. If you again create the tags, then you show the tags list. Okay, here if you remember, I have already one this type of command, so it's not compare that much, just it put it down here. Okay, this is all about the Perplexed AI, and later you can see, means at YouTube description you can see the Notion page and all the prompts are written very well down. This is a rough sketch, just what I provide to you. So yeah, this is for today guys. Jai Hind.